Professor Monty. We're answering the question, what happens if the exponent is 0? All right, so the exponent property of 0 essentially says this: for any real number b not equal to 0, the base can't be 0, b to the 0 power is always just equal to 1. You may say, well, why is that the case? Let me show you why that's the case by an example. Suppose we have 5 squared over 5 squared. Well, we know that's 25 over 25. And we know that's 1. But think of the property of exponents when we're dividing. Remember, when we divide with the same base, we subtract the exponents. So we're really getting 5 to the 2 minus 2, which is, of course, 5 to the 0. Therefore, 3 dots in a triangle like that mean therefore 5 to the 0 must equal 1. And it does. Okay, that works for any base. 0 to the 0 is undefined. That's why we say the base can't be 0. Let's look at some examples. What's x to the 0? Well, by that property, it's just 1. What about 3x plus 7 to the 0? Same thing. This whole thing's the base, so that's just 1. What about 4x to the 0? Careful. The 0 only relates to the x. This is 4 times 1, which is 4. So do be a little bit careful there. Now, however, if this had said, what's 4x quantity to the 0, now that whole thing's the base. Now the answer is 1. So do be careful, but the property with 0 as an exponent just says anything other than 0 raised to the 0 power is just going to be 1.